Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your default alerts sound on the iPhone. In front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but this is going to work on every iPhone that you have. So, if you want to change your default alerts sound, you want to go to the settings, which is the second right here. And then you want to go to the sounds and haptics, as you can see right now. So let's click on that. And now you're going to find all those options, but we are now interested in default alerts. So you just click on that. And then you can choose from the, sounds that Apple gives us. And also you can go to the classic to find even more sounds, for example. And once you decide which one is good for you, as I did with the glass, you just click on the glass. As you can see, here is the tick. So from the classic you need to go back, and now from this time this sound is going to be the sound for default alerts. Also, you can buy something from the tone store, so there are more tones sounds for the alerts. How to do this, we have another video on our channel about that, so be pleased to go to that video if you don't want to know how to do this. After buying, you just click download all purchased tones and you're going to be able to find them right here in this section. So this is basically it, how you can change it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.